Everybody, this is a review of the Apexel Deluxe 5-in-1 lens kit. As you can see, it's made in China. I have purchased this off Amazon. If you're looking for the specific model, it's APL-DG5H. And these are the specific lenses that come in. If you want to go ahead and pause the video to read that a little further, you're more than welcome. And there we go. And now there's 5 different lenses: fisheye, macro, wide angle, telescope, and CPL. And it's nice because it comes with this little pouch here and this cleaning cloth for the lens, and this little there's a little flimsy hook right here if you want to put it on your book bag or onto your belt for your your shorts. Now this is what it comes with. This is what you twist. Now it twists on the lens, so as you can see here, and I've used this on my iPhone X. You can also use it on a Samsung. I have a Samsung S7 that I've used it on. Basically whatever the furthest reach from this end right here all the way to here. So basically, with most smartphones, the camera is going to be very accessible. This is about 1.5 inches. So it definitely reaches majority of smartphones. And this specific lens that I put on there is the fisheye lens. So let's go ahead and snap this on and try this out. Okay, and as you can see here, this is with the fisheye. Now I've went ahead and tapped on the screen to focus it. Quality is decent, right? Quality is very, very decent. Let me go ahead and wipe it off here with the cloth. Doesn't really make it any better. Okay, now it's gotten a little better in terms of the quality. It's decent. It's not bad. It's decent. You can go ahead and try the other lenses here. That was the fisheye lens that we just had on, and it wasn't bad, right? The quality, I guess, the quality of the glass or lens itself it's okay. Right, you're not gonna get like fantastic quality out of these. This is like a $20 product off Amazon. This is the macro lens. Now let's go ahead and twist this on and see how that goes. Now each of these lenses are very specific in terms of what you're wanting to accomplish. Right, if you're wanting to accomplish something close by, further away. You can be able to test each one of them out. So this is now with the lens. This is the macro lens. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if we can. Okay, so that's without the lens on, without the macro 15x, and that is with it on. To be honest, it doesn't really provide much. It kind of zooms it in a little more it zooms it out a little more, as you can see here from the video shot, which is that's what it's supposed to do. Let's go ahead and twist that off. So that was the macro 15x. It was decent, not too bad, right? Next off, we're gonna go ahead and put on the telephoto lens ×2. Now, the telephoto lens is pretty unique, as we're gonna go ahead and test out right here. And this is the lens on, the telephoto lens. And let's go ahead and try this on. Okay. Let me tap on to zoom. Take it off. Type to zoom. The problem is with putting on this lens, you've got the issue of the sensor on the phone itself not being able to recognize or have the ability to kind of process it. So there, I just took off the lens, so that's a big issue of having these adapters. you know, the sensor and then being able to focus is not going to give you that ability as much. So let's go ahead and try the very last lens and try that and see how that is. You know, twist that on and kind of see how that goes. And this last one should be unique, I hope, in terms of the differences in each of these lenses. Now, you know, some of these, when you want to twist it on to the adapter, is quite tough. You got to get it quite there. So, okay. So let's go ahead and test it out. This is the, let's go ahead and take a look here of which one this is. This is, tapping here to zoom. This is the CPL mobile phone lens. So let's go ahead and put that on here. Let's go ahead and zoom in. Okay. So that's the CPL. The CPL is on right now. Can you guys tell a difference? Off, on. Off, on. I can't really tell a difference with the CPL on it, so I don't know if it's gonna, you know, benefit as much. Now, reading the box, it says remove unwanted reflections from non-metallic surfaces such as glass or water. Okay, so that is what CPL is. This removes the unwanted reflection from non-metallic surfaces. So you've got this watch right here. Okay, let's take this off. Zoom in. No, that's going to be beneficial now. Let's take that off. Let's see. Okay, so this one has a little glare right here, as you can see from the light. Let's go ahead and put this on and see what it does. Okay, it's still there. Okay. What about on the table? We've got a certain reflection right there. Let's put this on. Off. On. I guess it dims it off. It dims it a little bit, to be honest. I mean, let's take it off again. I don't see much of a difference, but you know, if you guys do see a difference, let me know down below. But anyways, guys, this was a review of the Apexel lens kit. Now, majority of the other lens kits are going to be very, very similar to these. You know, this is the third product that now I've reviewed and I've tested personally, and they're all going to be very, very similar. I haven't seen one that's very different, unless you get up to the very high-end quality range products that are probably built in the US. So anyways, guys, if you have any questions, please post them below. If you have any experience utilizing this product or other products for